Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen, and today I have some happy mail. Okay, hold on. I got some happy mail from Miss Eve Otta. Girl, hey. I got some happy mail today. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Okay guys, so I had to let her know I got your mail. Look at that. I don't even have to cut this open. Yes. Everything is intact. What is this, girl? Oh, look at this. It's Eve Otta Craft Shop. Follow her on Instagram at Eve Otta Craft Shop or at Eve Otta 101. Look at how pretty. Thank you for shopping with me. Did I, girl? Let me get into this. Let's see a little Valentine in there. How cute. I saw Louisa open one from her. How cute. Oh my gosh. Love the bag. Where are you guys getting those bags? But here's her card. Look at that. Love, love, love. And she sent me a purple lollipop, lollipop. Oh, lolly, lolly, lolly. Crafty BFFs forever. Look at this. You guys. Oh my gosh. Let me not tear the pretty card. Okay, perfect. The pretty purple lollipop. But look at, she put some bows on them. Best friends. To Eileen from Eve. Yes, girl. Oh, how cute. That is so cute. It says, hi, Eileen, sending you hostess gift. What? Oh, you're the sweetest, girly. No, you're not. There is no late in happy mail, girl. Oh, thank you so much. How cute. I always get goosies when you all think of me. I'm so blessed and so fortunate, lucky, and honored that you guys want to watch me. Thank you, Eve. Oh my gosh, look at this pretty shred. I was trying to pick it all up, but isn't that pretty? What if you put make a heart out of this? Eve, thank you so much, girl. I'll put this pretty little shred here. Let me not cover the cards up, Eileen. Hello. There we go. Check her out, guys, please. And these are some pretty hearts. Wow. These are handcraft DIY craft supplies, stone stickers. Let me pull this out so I have a little less glare. Look at the blingy bling on that. OMG. I have definitely got to reorganize my bling so I could start using them more. I used to use them a lot on my projects. And now, I don't know. I have to do a different way to organize them. But oh my gosh, Eve, you did not have to do this. Oh, look at those bling. Oh my God, I love the hearts. I love hearts. And then she has these really pretty pink. Oh, like, I don't know. They look like earrings to me. Let me start with the top. So here's some rhinestone stickers. They're really teeny tiny, guys. Teeny tiny little dots. That is so pretty. I mean, you could literally use it as a whole strip, or you can make them single strips or double strips or whatever, you know. It's up to you, but that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. So we did the hearts, and then we have this one. It's a little tiny bigger than the gold. Look at that. Let's see the difference. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh. And you get so many. 240 on this one, 54 on this one, and gajillion on the gold. How cute. Eve, oh my gosh, girl. And then here are the pink hearts. So so pretty. What a cute size too. And so they're not all lined up. They're like, you know, like offset from each other down the row. How cute. That's going to be so cute on a card because they're like, you know, in all different directions. Oh my gosh. And then the same with the red, but the red has this colorful iridescence on it. Look at that. Can you see all that? Beautiful. It looks like all different colors, but it's red. Love that. And then she gave us some rainbows. Oh, look at the rainbow. Yes, a rainbow. And they're all the same. It's offset. So you have a pretty array of hearts. You don't have to arrange them. They're already like, you know, if you wanted that haphazard look, which I always do because I'm not a perfect straight line girl. Oh my gosh, Eve, this was so generous and thoughtful of you. I really, 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 really appreciate this. You did not have to, girl. And I'm so happy that you have had so much success in your channel and your Instagram and now in your shop. Guys, go check her out. She is so super talented. And you know, she was also in a Christmas hop for Poochie Tat's Christmas ornament hop. If you missed that little hop that we were all a part of, go check it out. It's, you know, you follow the hashtag. Go to Poochie's channel, follow the hashtag, and it'll show you all the ladies that are participating in the hop. And Eve is one of those ladies, and she is super duper talented, as all of the ladies that were in the hop. So go check them out, give them a follow, and thank you so much again, Eve. I appreciate you so much. Happy Friday, guys. Bye.